Need urgent photocopies, thesis binding, or document printing, but not sure which shop nearby offers the service you need? What if you could discover trusted print and photocopy service providers across the city from a single interactive map? Using MAPOG, a simple spreadsheet of partner locations can be transformed into an interactive service discovery platform without writing any code. First, head over to storied@mapog.com. From the dashboard, navigate to Create and Publish, and click Create New Map. Next, select the With Template option. Choose the Store Mapper template. Now, enter a project title and description, then click Create Map. Let's start building the Franchise Locator page. In the Map Settings panel, use the Upload Image section to add your company logo. Next, scroll down to the Action Buttons section. Here, you can add your company website and contact number. This makes it easy for customers to access business information and connect directly from the map. Now, go to Add Location and select Upload CSV. Before uploading the CSV file, we need to create a business location template. To do this, click the settings icon next to select Business Location Template and choose New Type. Enter a name for your location type and set the geometry type to point. Next, add custom attributes such as name and text, address. You can also add operating hours by selecting business hours as the field type. In the Edit section, specify the days and operating times. Once you've added all the required fields, click Create Type. This template helps standardize and organize your data in a structured format. Now, return to the Upload CSV section. From the drop-down menu, select the business location template you just created. Click Select File and choose your CSV file, then click Upload. In the Unique ID field, select Generate Auto ID. This helps prevent duplicate records from being created. Next, map each template attribute to the corresponding column in your CSV file. Finally, assign the latitude and longitude fields to ensure locations are correctly placed on the map. Once all fields are mapped correctly, click Submit. Your locations will now appear on the map as individual points. You can click on any location to view detailed information and attributes associated with that franchise. To edit a location, click the pencil icon next to the location entry. From here, you can add an image, update business hours, and include a short description for your location. Once you're finished, click Save. This allows you to centralize important business information and make it easily accessible directly from the map. To make your map more visually engaging, you can customize the location icons. Go to Map Layers, click Default Style, and select New Style. In the Style modifier, you'll find several visualization options. For example, go to Category Style. Here you can select the attribute you want to visualize. You can assign different icons and colors, making it easier to identify and distinguish locations on the map. You can also use Sort to organize locations based on specific criteria. Filter to display locations from a particular area or facility. Settings to control which information appears on the map and in location pop-ups. These tools help improve map organization, data visualization, and overall user experience. Once your map is ready, click Preview and Share. From here, you can keep the map public or private, generate a shareable link, embed the map on your website, invite team members using the Add User option for collaboration. And that's how you can create an interactive franchise locator using MAPOG. For further help, reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching.